I welcome you to Speed Learning app for your preparation for your Super Speciality entrance examination, either it be a NEET or NESS. I congratulate you for your wonderful decision that you have taken to achieve your dream Super Speciality seat of your choice. I appreciate your sincere and dedicated efforts to register with Speed Learning app for your preparation. Registering with Speed is the great and the right and the appropriate decision that you have made. This one decision where 90% of your job is already done to reach your Super Speciality seat of your choice, because the content in Speed is very unique, that gives you the exact cutting edge to crack any exam of a NESS standard or a NEET SS standard. The expert faculty members of Speed have specially curated the content that is required to crack the Super Speciality entrance examination with high scores, with a topmost rank, and to get a Super Speciality seat of your choice and also the institution of your choice. At Speed Learning app, you go on to the first folder of your specialty which is saying live, because that is the latest content which is available in the app. Then once you finish that, what you can do is you can go through the high yield series, PYQs and the expected questions of those folder which will be available next to it. The next thing that you need to do is weekly 2 grand tests you will take it for your practice, and as you do, you spend minimum of 2 hours per day for your preparation of your Super Speciality entrance examination. Close to 15 days before the exam, go for a full-time preparation, complete all the lecture videos once in the Speed Learning app, and then finish all the GTs once in the Speed Learning app. Then 15 days before the exam, revise the PowerPoint slides for 5 times so that could enhance your preparation and give you great results. We have weekly scheduled live interactive sessions where our faculty members will discuss the topic that is mentioned as per the schedule. So you can attend those sessions. In case you're not able to attend, the same sessions gets recorded and gets uploaded in the app on the subsequent day. And for any doubts that you have as you read through these recorded videos, you can note down those doubts, and during the live session, you can contact our expert faculty members to clarify all your doubts. At Speed, you will have a dedicated relationship manager for you. For any of the technical assistance that you require, they will love to assist you. My name is Dr. Vinayak Senthil. I'm a cardiothoracic and a vascular surgeon, and I have trained and mentored more than 35,000 super specialty aspirants to achieve their dream super specialty of their choice and the institution of their choice. And I am a dedicated mentor for you to assist you, help you, and support you for all your requirements of the academic needs. And you can reach out to me for my WhatsApp number, that is 98400 44686. For any academic related support that you need, feel free to reach out to me. I am ready to support you. I wish you all the very best and all the success for a great and a wonderful preparation with Speed Learning app to achieve your dream super specialty seat of your choice.